Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. This is Unboxer King, and for today, we're gonna be unboxing our copy of Stray Kids' Oddinary album. This is their 6th mini album. As you can see, we all have 3 versions here. This is the Frankenstein limited edition version. We have the mask off and then the scanning version. This set comes with a pre-order benefit as well. So we'll start with the Sinara. This is the Sinara pre-order benefit that we got. We have Felix. We have Felix. We also have Yunjin and Changbin. I think this is the first press release, and they have a misprint photo card here for the Frankenstein version. That's why they also provided us another set of photo card here, 3 versions, and then 3 copies, and then each copy have 2 photo cards. So let's open them up. So this is for the Frankenstein version. So for the first set, we have Bangshan. And then we have Lino. For the second set, we have Changbin. Here's the back. And then Bangshan again. Okay, and then the last one. We have Jungin and Lino. There you go. So those are the pre-order cards that we have. Let's begin with the Frankenstein version, or the limited edition. Let's put this aside. So this is the front, this is the spine, and this is the back. So my favorite song on this particular comeback is, of course, Maniac. Aside from Maniac, I do love Lonely Street. I think that's, but overall this whole song set that they have in this album is really good. But if you're gonna ask me, the 2, Maniac, the title song, and then the Lonely Street is my favorite B-side. So here is the cover. Let's make sure that we don't see any photo cards. This is the CD. Okay. And then for our postcard, we have, it's right there, it's Yunjin. So we have Yunjin as our postcard. Okay. And then this is the poster. Oddinary, and all 8 members. The back just look like this one. Okay, that's the poster. We also have lyric book. This is how it looks like. And then for the limit, since this is the limited edition, it comes with this inclusion, like a pop-up inclusion. Are you ready to play with Stray Kids? We invite stay the ordinary world of Stray Kids. Really nice. There you go. And then part of also additional inclusion for the limited edition is this one, an accordion postcard. So we have here Bangshan, best leader, Lino, cute rapper, or Changbin, fatal dumpling for Yunjin, usual sensitive for hand, unusual soft and fluffy for Felix, then the Maniac for Sumin, and Macne on top for Joe. And Oh, cute! They included their Skusu character at the back. Okay, that's pretty nice. We have here the... Okay, I can see the photo card. Let's put it here. The sticker. Okay, for this one. Okay. And then this is the photo book. Start. I'm gonna speed through with this flip through. There you go. So those are the photos from the photo book. Let's see our pull. Let's start with the unit. So the unit photo cards are in this pouch. Let's see, who do we pull? There's a blue version. It's the unit of Jongin and Somin. So the Maknae unit. Very nice. Then we have Somin and Bangchan. Okay. Next, we have Lino and Felix. Okay. And then the last is a red back. It's Somin and Lino. Nice. So those are our initial pull. Oh, I was thinking that the back of this black version is a misprint since they provided us extra photo cards. So it's not. So let's see who we got from the Frankenstein version. It's Yunjin. Nice, we don't have him yet. And then for the ID card, it's Jongin, IN, Trendsetter. Okay. There we go. And then for the red back, we have Yunjin again. Wow. A lot of people are really requesting to pull this particular photo card with the goggles, the pink goggles. Okay. Nice. So that's our first pull for the Frankenstein version. Let's see our next. This one is the scanning version. This is the front, this is the spine, this is the back, okay, and these are the songs. Okay, let's open this up. Again, we don't want to see our pulls. So this is the CD plate, it's color blue. And then our postcard is Jongin. Nice, Jongin. And then this is the same. I'm not gonna show it again. Okay, let's put our photo cards. So, okay, there. Okay, so for the scanning version, this is the photo, the poster. Oddinary, and then the back is the same as the Frankenstein version, but blue this time. Okay. And then we have the same sticker. Okay, let's start with our photo book. Okay, so again, I'm gonna speed through with this flip through. There you go. So this is the photo book of the scanning version. Let's proceed with our pulls. We're going to start with the unit photo cards. Okay, so starting off with, we already see the first, a red back, and it's Lino and John. We don't have this one yet, so it's good. So far we're not pulling any duplicates so far, which is good. Next is Felix and Changbin. Nice. Next is Tangchan and Changbin. And then the last one, it's Lino and Han, Jisoo. Nice. So we're really good with our pulls right now. Hopefully I don't jinx it myself. ID card. Okay, we got Felix. Happiness. Okay. No duplicate yet. This one, the Frankenstein version. Felix again. So before we pull both Jung, is this a Felix set? And then the last is Felix. Wow, so it is a Felix set. We pull all Felix for the card. Nice. And then the last version is the mask off. Okay, so this is the front, this is the spine, and this is the back. Okay. So same, different color but same design. For the CD plate, it's color red this time. Nice. And then we already saw who our postcard is. Sumin. Nice. There you go. Sumin. And then for the scanning version, sorry, for the mass of version, this is the poster. I think out of the three concept, this one for me, I love this one the most. Maybe because it's very colorful. Okay. The back is almost the same as the previous one, but it's red. Okay, we have here the lyric. I'm not gonna go through with that. It's the same. We have the sticker. It's also the same. I'm gonna put the photo card aside, and let's proceed with our photo book. Here's the photo book for the red version or the mask of version. That's the mask off photo card. Sorry, photo book. Let's now proceed with our pulls. We got here the unit photo card. Okay. And we saw the first. It's black card. It's Changbin and Jonghyun. Thanks, we don't have it yet. Next is another black card. It's Yoongjin and Leo. Okay. And then next is a red back. We have Yoongjin and Changbin. I don't think we have any duplicates yet so far. The red back, it's Bangchan and Joey. Wow! Wow, so we didn't pull any duplicates for the unit photo card, I think. That's really nice. I hope our luck continue. We have here the ID card. It's Lino! Nice! So we did pull Lino, Felix, and Jongin for the ID card. For the red back, or the scanning version, we have Lino again. Is this a Lino set? Let's see. The black Frankenstein card is... No, it's Changbin. We already have this from the additional photo card that they gave us, but it's good to have an extra of their bias. Okay, so I'll just rearrange for a quick outro. Here you go. So here are the complete photo card haul that we got from our 3 albums of Stray Kids Oddinary. Can you believe we didn't pull any duplicate across all albums? That's really nice. So I'll be putting this in my binder and updating my Stray Kid binder. Watch out for that video. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any question about my collection, and see you next time. Bye guys!